Welcome back to Just Tech It Easy. In this video, we're taking automation to the next level with AI agents, the ultimate game changers in workflow automation. These smart assistants do more than just follow instructions. They make decisions, handle edge cases, and bring intelligence to your daily tasks. By the end of this video, you'll see how AI agents can turn even the most complex automations into seamless workflows. Ready to dive in? Let's go! Here's the thing. Creating advanced automations often feels overwhelming. You might struggle with understanding how to manage exceptions, tackle negative scenarios, or build workflows that adapt to real-world challenges. And if you're not super tech-savvy, it can feel downright impossible. But what if I told you there's a way to simplify all of this? Enter AI agents. These aren't your regular bots. They're designed to think, act, and adapt. Let's take a quick look at the types of AI agents you'll encounter in Lindy.ai. Decision makers handle if-else scenarios effortlessly. Edge case handlers automatically resolve exceptions. Predictive agents use AI to anticipate and resolve potential issues before they arise. And the best part? Integrating them into your workflows is as simple as drag, drop, and configure. Let me show you how we can build on the meeting scheduler automation from the last video. In this automation, we've introduced decision points, like checking if the email includes a date and time for the meeting. Plus, we've let an AI agent automatically suggest alternative schedules if the requested time falls outside your working hours. Now, let's see how I've set up all this using AI agents. The first thing I did was set up a condition. This enables me to check if the email body has a meeting schedule or not. The flow on the right is the positive flow, where it will allow if the email has a date and time for the meeting. The one on the left is the negative flow, which executes if the email does not contain a date and time for the meeting. All right, let's move on. Let's assume that we have received a new email and it contains the date and time for a meeting. What next? The next step is to set up an agent. Remember, I could have also used an action directly instead of an AI agent, like how we did in the previous video. But since we have multiple checks to perform and the required action may change depending on the scenario, it is easier to use an AI agent. So the AI agent has several parts to it. The first one is the prompt. This is where you tell the agent what you want to achieve. In our case, that will be to use the information in the email to set up an event in the calendar, and if there is a scheduling conflict, respond to the sender of the email with available alternatives. Next, we select the AI model we want to use. I always select GPT Mini, but seriously, you can select any model you prefer. Next is the skills. The skills required for this agent are creating an event in the calendar, find available alternatives in case of a conflict, and sending an email. Just like Neo learning Kung Fu in The Matrix, you identify the skills your AI agent needs, set them up, and the agent gets to work. While it's not as instantaneous, the process is just as empowering. Add an exit condition, which lets the agent know when to exit the flow, and you're done. I've done a similar setup for the other flow as well, where I have prompted the AI agent to send an email back to the sender asking him to provide a date and time for the meeting. Easy, save and test. First up is the negative flow. The AI agent responds to the email automatically and also summarizes what it has achieved. Similarly, here's the result of the positive flow, where it automatically sets up a calendar event and sends out a confirmation email. Here's the email that I received confirming the meeting schedule. Not bad, isn't it? This is the power of combining automation with AI. Imagine this level of productivity in your business or personal life. To recap, AI agents bring intelligence to automation, making it easier to handle decisions, edge cases, and unexpected scenarios. With tools like Lindy.ai, even complex workflows become manageable. And the time savings are immense. Advanced automations don't just save you time, they let you focus on what truly matters. So what's your biggest challenge with automation? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to hear about your experiences. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell to stay updated. See you in the next one. Until then, just tech it easy.